Hello, tonight I'm at Kingston Night Market, Hillcrest Street, I believe. It's an event that happens every first Tuesday of the month. Okay, so you've got various stalls here behind me. You've got books, and the entertainment is about to start. So I'm going to turn the camera, and you can see some of the entertainment.
One guy that missing. Now we have one more and 2 years and sometimes we need to learn finish. Yeah, so give chance. Selling various stall holders here, all unique artisans, whether they're selling arts, you can see here. We've got one of my favourite sellers here, Fitz, selling authentic Jamaican products. You can see, you have a look, these carvings, I love them. They're actually made here. Look at these unique carvings. Really unusual. If you look at these coaster mats, authentic jewellery, bags, as you can see. And so it happens here every Tuesday in Kingston. It starts about 7:30. Okay, so whether you come down here for food, for unique pieces of items. As you can see, this corridor is probably about art. You know, it's creativity. Look at this, look how original these are. Or you can come down this corridor here, and you can buy your food and your drinks. But there's me saying food and drinks, but I can see someone selling healing wellness. There's food here, so I came and bought my cream pumpkin soup. You've got your healthy food here. Okay, we bought my pumpkin soup, cream pumpkin soup. Yeah, but look at the saltfish fritters.
Saltfish fritters, festival,
I've had that and it was beautiful.
ripe plantain,
Really nice.
fresh
So
plantain.
this is the corridor where it's got all the food. If you have a look, I can smell the aromas of the jerk chicken. You can't see it, but I can look at the jerk chicken there. If you have a look at the jerk chicken there, it's busy preparing it. So it's Trini yards. And there's various people selling food here. There's juices, you've got cakes, you've got people sitting down eating. And if you have a look at super spicy. Jamaica Ideal Satisfied. There's a range of goods, people are sitting down eating, and you've got every cannabis. Hello. Got various things. Yeah, so you've got all that. And what I actually like here, my favourite store when I come here are the fruits. This guy is from Newcastle, and he's coming here with really unusual fruits. So have a look at these. Look at the ugly fruits. And I have bought my pear. There it is for 600 here. As I say, this
This is Kingston Night Market. It happens every Tuesday. Check them out on Instagram. It's a really nice event. You come here. It starts about 8 o'clock, finishes at 11 o'clock. You can come here, you can buy your books from iNation books as well. So there is something here for everyone.